I smelled gas coming from the Pathfinder the other day. Luckily, checking underneath, I did see some fuel coming down near the rear differential. And luckily it's just the fuel filter. So that fuel filter hasn't been replaced in a while, so I'm going to do that right now. Here's how you take a 10-minute job and turn it into an hour and 20. So I've also had fuel smell come from the evap system over here. For a while, when I would shut the vehicle off, you'd smell a strong odor of gasoline, but I never found any leaks, and it ended up being the evap system right here. There's kind of like a weird spider separator where there's like 4 hoses that go into it. That was leaking, but also the valve that's back here, there's a solenoid with a valve, and that was leaking as well. I replaced those a while ago, and that fuel smell went away, but obviously today was just a leaky fuel filter. It's a little bit rusty. Oops. We may have to just wire tie this back on. That's not good. Luckily these screws are like stainless steel, so that's not bad. Come on. Alright, so a job you thought was going to take 10 minutes always seems to take longer. This screw is stripped out. I can't get this loose. There we go. Yeah, broke it up. That's good. Obviously I can't cut it off. You don't want any sparks over here. I guess I could try cutting it off with some side cutters, but... Alright, so I'll just have to get a new clamp. There we go. Take that side off. There we go. And bought a new clamp. New clamp on. There we go. Good thing it fits. Slide the new filter on. Alright, so I'm just gonna have to wire tie that down, or try to fix that bracket, but that's the gist of it. At least I don't have a fuel leak anymore. So now that's fixed, I'm all set with the fuel leak. That's how you take a 10-minute job and turn it into an hour and 20. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.